Former child star Ricky Schroder has filmed himself harassing an employee at a California Costco who denied him entry over his refusal to wear a face mask. For further discussions, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Schroder, best known for starring in 1979 drama film The Champ and 1980s sitcom Silver Spoons, has achieved notoriety in recent years due to his right-wing politics. Last year, it was revealed he helped bail out Kyle Rittenhouse, 18, who is charged with 2 counts of murders in connection to shootings at a Black Lives Matter protest in Kenosha, Wisconsin last August. In an Instagram video posted on Saturday, Schroder chastised a frontline worker for enforcing company mask policies. A Costco supervisor explaining there has been no charge to Costco's policy in line with rules implemented in the state of California and the Los Angeles, to which Schroder insisted, yes, there has been. Didn't you see the news? The actor asked. Nationwide Costco has said you don't need to wear masks. The employee responded, actually, that's not accurate. So what is accurate is that Costco always goes above and beyond when following the rules, and the mandate in California has not changed. Before the supervisor could continue making a point on the possibility of changes in California by mid-June, Schroder interjected, well, if they allow us, if they grant us that, our kings, the people in power, you gonna listen to these people? They have destroyed our economy, they have destroyed our culture, they have destroyed our state, and you are just gonna listen to their rules? As the employee reiterated, Costco will continue abiding by the guidelines in place. Schroder turned the camera on himself, maskless and wearing a Blue Lives Matter cap. He said to the camera, I am getting my refund from Costco. I suggested everybody in California get their refund from Costco. Give up your membership to Costco until they remove this. A separate Costco employee who identified herself as the locations manager then handed Schroder a receipt, waiting patiently as the former child actor repeated his call for a Costco boycott before grabbing the piece of paper. Christopher Hahn, an attorney who previously worked as an aide to Senator Chuck Schumer, expressed gratitude to the former child star. He tweeted, thanks Ricky Schroder. Seeing how horrible you became as an adult, I will never be able to cry at the end of The Champ again. Screenplay writer and playwright Paul Rudnick labeled Schroder haranguing Costco employees over the mask mandate as a definitive a-hole move. Anyone who harasses a store or restaurant employee over a mask policy is despicable, he posted. These workers are doing their job and trying to keep everyone safe. The backlash led Schroder to issue an apology to the Costco supervisor he filmed, saying he was trying to make a point to the corporate overlords and was sorry that I had to use you to do it. If I hurt your feelings, I apologize, Schroder said in a video posted to Instagram on Sunday. I do think that independence from medical tyranny is more important than hurting people's feelings. So that's it in this video. Please like, comment and share the video, and also make sure to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.